morning. So this is our last day here in Spain, and this was our last apartment we are ready to check out of. Look at this one. Ready to go, honey? This is where was our room, and it has a little patio that you can open and go to. The same thing in the living room. But I gotta go because I got a plane to catch. Bye. Currently in the tiny elevator. I barely fit. Oh, you okay, boy? He's been eating too much Chinese food.
We shouldn't have ate last night. That was unnecessary to eat.
Why did you eat?
Because you went to the store.
Nobody told you to eat? Look at this. He's blaming me because he ate. Hey, nobody told you to eat. Let me out of here. I can barely. I can't back up. You have to get out. Ugh. This is the struggle. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Buenos días. Ready to go home?
Yeah, I'm ready for some good food.
You're ready for some good food? What about you, sis?
Yeah, of course. I'm ready to go home, just not ready to go back to work. Ready to sleep in my bed. Play with my cat.
I can't wait to see Hope. I miss her. I wonder what she's up to. I wonder if she forgot about us.
She probably did. She's a dog.
Just got here. We're about to check in. We checked in. Now we're going through TSA. Yeah. So TSA was the worst. Oh my God.
They wanted us to get naked.
I was like, I have no shirt under this. Like, I can't take this off. Okay, I'm naked. We're currently in the train. So we finally made it to our gate. We have about an hour before we're bored. So we're gonna have a little snack, salad and a sandwich before we go. All right.
I got sleep now.
All right, guys, we boarded. Spain has been amazing. We've seen so many beautiful places, but it is time. I feel like Tim he's feeling a little clogged up from all the food. We're ready to go back home and do a detox. I've never seen Tim drink so much coffee by night. Baby, you drinking coffee now? What's up?
Necesito café.
Necesito coffee? You come to Spain, it's like coffee for breakfast, lunch, dinner, before you go to bed. You know how to, what do you know how to say?
Basura.
What else?
Café.
What else? I taught you
Váyase a cagar.
Váyase a cagar.
Váyase a cagar.
Váyase a cagar. He's so excited to have T-Mobile LTE. And guess what? We were confused. We thought it was his birthday, but it's not his birthday yet. It's tomorrow.
You may now switch off the flight mode on your...
El Groucho. Guess where we are? Dun dun dun! We are picking up our casita at Freedom RV. Babe, how happy are you? How happy are you? You say, cállate. Alright, so we are gonna do a walkthrough with the RV just to check how everything was done. There were so many things that needed to be done with this thing that it is crazy. There's Papa Bear over there looking at her little our little casita. You said sassiness, so I gave you sassiness.
You started off. I thought I forgot how to hook up the trailer.
I kinda thought you did for a minute.
2 months, and I lost it all. What is this?
We've been like gypsies for the past 2 months. That's probably why. Guys, we are finally settled in our little home, and I'm so happy with my gordita, my little hope. I missed her so much. It's been a long journey for the past 2 months being without our home, but now that we are in our home, it feels great. You know, sometimes you don't know what you have until you don't have it, so not having our little home kind of really made us miss it. Morning. So it's the next day. We decided that we're gonna stay here in Fresno for a couple of weeks. We're not gonna do Mexico. It was just too complicated as far as getting the Century Pass, and we need to work right now, especially after our trip to Spain. So we're gonna stay here. We're at a park here in Fresno that has good Wi-Fi, we have good cell phone reception, and close to everything. That's a plus for us because right now we need to be close to everything. We're gonna be here maybe a month just to see how things go, just to get everything settled with the business and ourselves, and then we'll move on to our next destination. Or who knows, maybe we'll stay here a little longer.
Got that booty, girl. Good girl.
One thing that we want to say, we want to give a shout out to Freedom RV here in Fresno, California. They're the dealership that actually took care of our RV. They did all the warranty work needed to get us back on the road. We're super blessed. I am very thankful. They did such an amazing job, and the customer service was top notch. Even though we didn't buy the RV from them, they took really good care of us. Most places don't want to do any warranty work if you didn't buy the RV from them. So that's a big plus for them. So if you guys are in the area or in need of any work, make sure you guys stop by and check them out because they were so good to us. So we're just taking this in and then planning for our next adventure.
But until then, guys, stay tuned for what we're about to do with this channel. Like we told y'all before, we're making the changes, so it's gonna happen by the time we post our next video, so stay tuned for that.
This will actually be our last video like this. The next video will pretty much be introducing our new name and what we're gonna be doing with the channel.
Alright, y'all, so we back in the crib. How you feeling to be back in your casita? Mamita. Mamita.
Llegaste de España y ahora te crees que hablas español.
¿Qué te pasa, Hope? You happy, you guys?
Hope is happy.
We got all our lights back.
We can see in here.
Yeah, one thing we're planning on doing, guys, we're gonna probably do some remodeling.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, we gotta remodel this
now
place,
that our warranty's pretty much up, we can do whatever the hell we want with this place because
warranty ends in February next month.
So we're gonna be breaking the sucker apart.
Yep, so stay tuned for that video.
Remodeling the RV. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing, and we'll see you guys in the next video.